was organized in the year 2022, and the second was in 2023, and this happens to be the third Intercollege Festival that the Border University is holding. So here, I just would like to share a few things with our students who have come over here to be part of this festival. As you all know, Borderland University was established in the year 2009. And when it was established, that time we did not have any affiliated college. Slowly, when this university started moving ahead, few colleges have been brought under this university.
Now I am sitting.
If you have a look into this university, you will find that there are 64 affiliated colleges. So out of these 64 colleges, though we invited as the organizing committee that invited all the colleges who are affiliated to Borderland University to be part of this festival. But what we have learned or what we have heard from our outgoing speakers, that there are only 40 colleges which have come up for participating in this festival. Anyway, whatever it is,
11
our outgoing speakers mentioned,
November
at the
11.
beginning, the number of participating colleges were few, but slowly it is getting higher and higher. This time, of course, we have been able to have about 40 colleges in this festival that we are organizing in the university. So what I feel is that if we have a look in other universities that we have, there are in and around us, where large number of colleges are affiliated in those universities. Still, festivals, such programs are organized in the university, we can see that the number of participating colleges are less. But here, what I have seen from my own experience, I would like to say it is really encouraging that more than 50% colleges affiliated to Borderland University are coming forward to participate in the festival that we have organized. And hopefully, in the days to come, in the years to come, more colleges will come up for participating in such type of programs. Because these programs are very, very important, especially for the students who have come.
Yes.
As I was just
There are only traditional dress. And the fan. Germany is in the house. How are you? I'm fine, bro. And same to you. How are you?
Through this festival, we have kept so many competitions, and you have come here to participate in competitions. When you compete and win the competitions, what will happen? You will be deputed from here to the national level programs that will be organized by the Association of Indian Universities. It will be most probably in the month of July, in the month of January, if I am not mistaken. In fact, last year before last, the two programs that we organized, especially the youth festival, it used to be in the month of January. When January comes, the Association of Indian University also starts their program. So our students who are selected in the youth festivals do not get the opportunity to participate in those type of competitions that are being organized by the AIE. So this time, that's why the organizing committee as well as the university has decided to organize it a little bit in advance, so that our students who will be participating in various competitions this time and the winners of these competitions may be deputed to the national level events that we have. So with this idea, this festival has been arranged now, and I'm very happy that this third Intercollege Youth Festival has been arranged at the right time, because the weather is also very good. If we conduct it in the month of January, it happens to be very, very cold, because we consider that January happens to be the coldest month of the year. So you are very fortunate that this time Borderland University has decided to conduct it in the beginning of November itself. So it's a very good time that we are organizing, and I hope you will really
Anyone
enjoy
watching from another
your stay here in the university. And
Yes, yes.
give your full
German from German.
showcase your talent, whatever talent you have, by participating in different events that we have kept in the program. So I don't want to take much time, because we have the scheduled program already. So they need to be prepared for those
Shoni
competitions.
also.
And right now, maybe after this program, we have a time for lunch.
Hello.
So after lunch, we last will be starting
Hi,
the
how are you?
competitions. So because of that, I don't
Ceremony,
like to
yes,
take much time.
ceremony.
Once again, on behalf of the university and on behalf of the organizing committee, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this intercollege youth festival at the Madurai University is holding. So once again, I thank all our respected guests, respected our Narun
How are you? Fine. Fine, bro. Sean, you.
Come over here as to our invitation. So on behalf of organizing committee, I thank all of you for joining with us at this inaugural session. And also, I hope that from today onwards, as the competitions are going to start, so
He is a
very
most
busy with
handsome
this. So
and
from
beautiful
the
boy.
side of the organizing committee, I extend my best wishes to all the students who shall come here. With this few words, I complete my speech here. Thank you very much.
So was the participant from the Salvary College.
We are coming to an end of this program. The last agenda that we have is the board of thanks. And to pronounce the board of thanks, I would like to invite our
Here I am.
Secretary of the Council, Mr. Nelson Nazari, please.
Koron. People.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone once again.
And
As we come together for
They
the
told-
grand opening of the
he
third
is a panther.
Bodo University Inter-College Youth Festival
Say hi.
2024. It's
Say
my
hi.
privilege to deliver this board of thanks.
Say hi.
This moment marks the beginning of a
Say hi.
vibrant celebration of youth, culture,
Say hi.
and talent. Firstly, our heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor B.L. Ahuja, sir,
Come,
whose
sir.
presence truly elevates this occasion.
And
We are grateful
I
for,
don't know his name.
your time and
What is his
support.
name? Monjit. And
Sir has
Tungri.
given the mind-blowing encouragement.
And then there are lots of girls from our
very
college.
much among us today. And also, Honorable Rector of our
Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a
a very encouragement
Nine.
speech among us
Uzbekistan
in
is
this occasion. And also, Honorable Registrar Sir, Dr. Subhu Musamadri Sir, Sir has also encouraged the students. those who are
Thank you
coming,
for watching my
in
live
this
stream from
occasion in this intercollege
Uzbekistan.
festival in our university, which
And
is
who
organized by
were-
the Borderland University.
how many.
And also, I'd like to thank all the
I don't know girls' name. Girls' name.
deans of faculties from different schools, and also honorable academic registrar of our Borderland University.
Girls are
who has
total
led this, inaugural
10
session with a
plus,
beautiful and
more than 10 plus.
mesmerizing moment. And I would like to thank all the faculty members and also the teaching and non-teaching staffs of our Borderland University who has
11
supported
জন dong
us
girls pura.
with a
Boys pura
beautiful,
11 জন ano tama.
helping hands.
10
And also,
10
I would like to thank our Honorable DSW Director of Students Welfare who have given a full support of conducting this program. Thank you for your guidance and encouragement which have been vital in bringing this festival to life. A special thanks to our program coordinator who have worked tirelessly with passion and commitment. We are also deeply thankful to the principals of participating colleges for encouraging students and sending their teachers in church to make this festival a memorable one. To our friends in the media, thank you for your coverage and for sharing our journey with the world. And to my incredible team, thank you for your hard work, dedication and spirit in making this possible. Here's to a successful and unforgettable festival. Thank you all and let the celebration begins. Thank you once again. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nelson Nazari, the Secretary of the
Reply
Council, for
last-
announcing the
last
board of
comment.
thanks. With this, our
Last comment
session
reply.
comes to an end. So thank you once again to everyone. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
नों होदो
How feelings?
मा होनगोन इखो र' आं बिजि एसे ओइ दाथ' दा फट' खेबना हरनांगौ
Stand up.
आंखौसो खोन्थिबाय थाबाय ओरैहाय खोन्थि
One announcement.
जोबोद समायना समायना
We are having now the lunches that is ready. So you can may I request all the participants and also the teacher and us to kindly have a lunch. And also I would like to announce that we are going to have the skit competition that is in the auditorium hall. You are requested to go there.
Ruktan
at
Singh
the
watching
1
to me.
p.m.
What?
Already the organizers are ready to conduct the skit competition.